Hey, good day. This is Alex from Internet Well Secret. In this review video, this info product to be launched tonight, 11 a.m. EXT, is called Affiliate TakeOff, right? So basically, Affiliate TakeOff is a video training course by Cynthia and also John's band, right? And this is about how this actually is. Even the grandma can actually use this blueprint to make a consistent daily income from affiliate marketing. So this is how we show in this sales page. Said 69 years old mother's first commission online in less than a day, right? So this is basically how it did, right? So she make even more in the next day. So this is the method is about they show you how to pick a product from this clickbait and how to apply the Google's this YouTube ad method, right? And they will actually show you how to set up everything inside the YouTube app, right? Okay, let me quickly take you to this member area. So this is the member area of the TakeOff, right? So the module here is start here, and there's a couple case study. The case study I think is showing about how this Cynthia's mother actually have achieved this. He actually is able to make a consistent affiliates income from this affiliates clickbank product, right? So in this video training, there are module 1, 2, and 3, 4, and they start with the module about case study, and their main training here is talking about the overview of the method, right? Okay, so the overview of the method, I think you can have a look here. Okay, so this overview of the method here is a YouTube app and also other people's videos, right? And basically is you just need to have a Google Ad account. It will show you how to set up the Google Ad account inside all this video training, and it will also show you step by step how to actually set up your first YouTube advertisement to actually and also set up the landing page, the opt-in page using the click funnel, and how to set up everything using the YouTube app, right? And also and start running the campaigns by some using a lady's budget, and this is whole the thing all about, right? Okay, YouTube app, other people's video. For example, if you are actually promoting something about wood making, then you can actually go to YouTube to search those people's existing YouTube videos which is about wood making, right? Or it's about affiliate marketing, depend on the niche, right? Then you can actually leverage on those people's existing subscriber to build your traffic, right? That is a very cool method, right? But this is a pay app method, but the pro about pay app is you can get faster result, and you know free app is always taking a lot of time. So in this main video trainings, it actually Cynthia will show you how to set up the account, the product, to build a product from this clickbank, and the lender is how to build a landing page, right? And the video, way to get the video, right? Okay, and how to create your own video about example, if I'm promoting something about wood making, way to get the video, we can actually use a video as your lead magnet, right? Okay, right, the conversion booster and the type of everything is be explained in this step by step, right? Okay, so the module 3 is a conclusion and next step bonuses. So here the couple of announced bonuses and the resources section also, the upgrade is also here. So this is a complete video courses by Cynthia and John's bands showing you the step by step how to actually earn a consistent affiliate commission using this YouTube app method, right? Okay, so that is how you do, right? And the same methods I believe can be applicable for promoting Wallet Plus or any others jelly juice product, or even some others product other than in the ClickBank jelly juice, and also this Wallet Plus. So the method is evergreen method. So once you master the method, you should be able to make the consistent affiliate income using this method, right? Okay, right. So let me quickly take you to my review page of this TakeOff, right? So although I'm giving a rating 9, and this is over 10 of this affiliate TakeOff, right? So predictable commission for a pay by lumber, so easy. So the 69 years old mom, Cynthia's mom, is also know how to do it. So it's automated this building unlimited via traffic on demand. It's a via traffic because you are really targeted traffic from the target YouTube video, right? Okay, by using this Google Ad, you're able to target the YouTube app, you're able to target the buyer traffic and start this building from the day one. It's beginner friendly. It's very simple actually to set up the YouTube app by using the Google app platform. Okay, bulletproof, things and dictate. So this is the evergreen method, right? So this is brand new push method buttons solution. Right? Push button is just a few clicks set up inside the Google app or YouTube app. You're able to get this up and running. So the price is $12.95 and there's a couple upsell. So it's a brand new push button for lady affiliate commission with step-by-step A to Z training. Right? So the front end and OTO is such a way. $12.95 is a front end. Is Cynthia will show you how her mom made her first commission in 24 hours. Right? $12.95 only. There's a couple of OTO here. Advanced and the advanced strategy to make even more money with no extra effort. Right? And also learn from you set up this upgrade. We set up a whole campaign for you, so you don't have to do any of the work, just make money. Okay, so this just give them access and we help you to set up the whole campaign. So the advanced strategy is to even make more money with no extra effort. Right? Okay, still our traffic sources. This is a brand submission on the sales page of the previous product. Okay, so you can actually do a retargeting using their existing visitor to their sales page. Triple license like, okay, sell affiliate TakeOff as your own product and give 100% of the commission. So that is the triple license like. Okay, so ready to crash it with affiliate. So this is TakeOff. This is A to Z affiliate marketing blueprint. So for the first time, this is the exact method Cynthia developed for her 69 years old mom. Right? So this method, even a 60 years old mom, how to do this, so there's no doubt us to be able to do it just following a few steps to set up the app campaign, right? And maybe you can fix a price or a budget or $10 or $15 USD per day. You will not overrun the budget, right? Okay, so that is a cool thing about the Google app. Okay, right? So this is a game changer method, blueprints. Everyone can actually be followed, and I think the potential of making money is so huge, right? So take a look at my bonuses here, affiliate TakeOff bonuses. These are custom-made affiliate TakeOff bonuses, right? First thing you're going to get these bonuses of this is this building video training, really comprehensive this building video training, and at the end of the video training, you're going to get 100 click solo app also, which you are free to promote any affiliate link or your own product, and potentially you may get some sale out of the 100 free solo app. So imagine a solo app, it could be 1 click per loader, right? So this is this building training. Next one is a 10 extra strategy to build your list. This is an extra strategy to build your list, right? Okay, so this is this building strategy, right? I think that is something you'll be also in need for how to learn the strategy to build a list, right? Also, we have this affiliate training course, and this is learn how to make 10,000 online following very simple business principle. This is very good training course. I think you will get expert on the bonuses. Also, Smarty Builder is an e-commerce site builder, and we have the funnel kit. This is more like click funnel killer, right? Click funnel you are paying $99. So with this funnel kit, you don't have to buy click funnel. You can save a lot of cost in the long run. You are going to get a very powerful funnel kit builder, right? VidSpark is a video creation app for more traffic lead and sale, and we have this BotEngage chatbot creation app for more traffic lead and sale. OutReachr is a rather traffic cloud app, and iShop is an affiliate store builder, right? So I also have a 15 free traffic method you may not know, and you can actually tap into this 15 traffic source and use it together with Cynthia's paid traffic to make even more sale and get more lead and make profit, right? Okay, this 15 traffic source, right? So another one is a top 6-pay underground traffic source, right? Okay, so this is also we discover how in the video training how the 6-pay underground traffic source, right? Okay, so this apart because Google YouTube app is a paid traffic source. There are other paid traffic source you can actually explore and make use of them to make even more sales and profits. Okay, so you'll also be having this free training how to make money without selling anything, right? This is really cool training also. And we have a Jono TikTok traffic app, Nova, and the Jono Instagram traffic app also. JavaScript commission board is part of these bonuses. At the end of her, I'm also giving you a 200 plus bonuses here. You can see, have a quick look into this bonus bundle, right? Okay, right. Okay, so this is what you'll be getting. You'll be getting a 3,000 email swag and 100 keyword headline, which I've been using to also promote my own product, email marketing video training courses, and over 100 social media traffic app. Okay, so you can actually tap into develop on this traffic app to get you more lead and sale and all in lead and make the capture template also. Also, I've also bundled in these bonuses here, make money online video training courses, right? Active make money online video training courses from Brandon and also from Jono. You can actually make use of them to make even get you your online business to the next level and get you more lead and sales, right? So that's basically all the bonus here. Total, you're going to get 200 plus item of bonuses, right? And first few bonuses are really high quality bonuses here. There are a lot of cloud app I'm giving to you here, affiliate training, right? And also the free and paid traffic method are also part of the bonus bundle here, right? So all this is going to help to take your business to the next level, right? I hope so. That is all for me. So click the link below this video and you are going to come to this review page. Just click on this orange button and going to take you to the affiliate TakeOff sales page. So just make a purchase of the $12.95, the front end, and if you like, you may also want to consider the other OTO here, right? Okay, so for $12.95 only, and if you consider the advance it's only 47 or others 97, right? So for the $12.95 you're going to get all my 200 plus bonuses, right? Which is really congruent to what Cynthia is going to sell to you, right? So all this traffic method, all the cloud app can be actually part of this great bonus bundle, right? So act fast and take the advantage because I only have limited bonuses for the first 30 buyer here, right? So take the advantage here, click the link below this video and grab all my bonuses together with Cynthia's affiliate TakeOff info product, and this is a great video training course, right? For sure, right? Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.